Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are good. Let's start our today's session with a game. The game name is Peekaboo. Students, listen. I said Peekaboo, Peekaboo, where are you? Where are you? Peekaboo, Peekaboo, where are you? I see you in a blue. Students, stand up. Those students who wears blue color like t-shirt, shirt, half pant of blue, etc. Okay. Now again, Peekaboo, Peekaboo, where are you? Where are you? Peekaboo, Peekaboo, where are you? I see you in a red. Students, let's again stand up, and those students who wears red colors. Okay. Now repeat. Peekaboo, Peekaboo, students. Where are you? Where are you? I see you in a yellow. Okay, students. Now we are going to sing a rhyme, Summer, from our book. For this, open your book of rhymes, and go to page number 22. Now let's start. Summertime, summertime, the sun shines by the pool. Summertime, summertime, it's holiday time from school. Summer's here, come enjoy the sun, putting on your sunscreen. Let's go have some fun. Again, student. Summertime, summertime, the sun shines by the pool. Summertime, summertime, it's holiday time from school. Summer's here, come enjoy the sun, putting on our sunscreen. Let's go have some fun. Okay, students. Now, dear students, now open your book, I Can Beginners, book 4, and go to page number 14 and 15. See on these pages. Now, summer season is going on. Tell me, what would you like to do? Like swimming, go for picnic, playing, etc. On bright sunny day, we like to enjoy the day when we are free. Okay, now, what do you like to eat? Yes, student. I like fruit, juice, cold drink, and ice cream. Okay, what do you like to wear? I like to wear cotton clothes. Okay, students. Now go to page number 16. Now tick the things you like doing in the summer season. Now, dear students, in the previous session we had revised letters from A to N. Let's revise again. A apple. A ant. A airplane. B balloon. B bee. Beer. C cat. C carrot. C cow. D drum. D dog. D dove. E high. E egg. E elephant. F frog. F fish. F fox. G grapes. G grasshopper. G girl. H her horse. H her hair. H her house. I ice cream. Ice cream. Iguana. Now next letter is J. Jester. Jelly. Jellyfish. K. King. Kangaroo. L. Lamb. Lemon. Lion. Now next letter is M. Monkey. Mouse. Mushroom. Now next letter is N. Nest. Nun. Nurse. Now today we are going to learn a new letter, that is letter O. Now we will revise the pronunciation of letter O by checking the following images. O owl. O orange. O ostrich. Octopus. Ostrich. Oven. Now again student, owl. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O is for ostrich. O is for oven. Now I have a video for you. In this we will learn letter O song through my Study Gear app. Yes student. Now in this session, let us do an activity. Through this activity, we will learn about one and many. Take your toys, pick one toy of each type, place it outside the basket. Okay students? Then take out different number of objects from the basket and place near the one object. See, this is one and these are many. Okay student? Now next is, I have one worksheet for you. Here first image is here some boys are there. For left side one boy and right side many boys. Okay student? Now next image is eggs. Left side one egg and other side many eggs. Okay students? Now rest four images yourself. Okay student, at your home. Now students, let's do one more activity. Take a drawing sheet and draw a big circle. After that, make a happy face on it. Okay. Now students, in the end we come to an end of this video session, but before ending the video, I would like to recall all the activities which we have performed today. We start our day with a new game, Peekaboo, in which we learned blue, red and yellow color. Then we sang a beautiful rhyme, Summer. After that, we completed page number 14, 15 and 16 from I Can Beginners, Book 4. Then we learned a new letter, letter O. Then we played an activity, one and many. One and many. After that, we had done a practical work. Now, in the end of, we will once again revise both rhymes that we will learn and revise in the beginning of this session. Let's start with me. First rhyme is summer. Summertime, summertime, the sun shine by the pool. Summertime, summertime, it's holiday time from school. Summertime, summertime, the sun shines by the pool. Summertime, summertime, it's holiday time from school. Summer's here, come enjoy the sun. Putting on our sunscreen, let's go have some fun. Now, second rhyme is goodbye, friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop. Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, students. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Okay.